Good day, everybody. If you're new here, my name is Rose. I'm a Lash from Florida, and welcome to a Vloggy McVlog vlog. So first things first, am I on a cinema? First things first, my car is running. Y'all, I am so angry. I'm so mad. I'm so irritated. Oh my gosh. All right, so as y'all could tell, I am inside the studio. Everything is getting moved. All right, let me tell y'all why I am so angry. So we were supposed to move, originally, when I first got here, we were supposed to move in December. They didn't move in December. We're supposed to move in January. They didn't move in January. Cool. We're definitely supposed to move in February because that's when they're gonna start demolishing this place because they're trying to turn it into a parking lot. Cool. Ever since we've been scheduled to move, there has been no issues. Everything has been working. I've had a place to work at. It's just always like the delay moving has been very irritating, but it never hurt me making money, so I didn't have an issue until this past week. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. We have no power, so I can't work, which means I can't make money, which means I gotta get out of here. It's looking like it's gonna take a lot more for us to move into the new place in February. I have another place that I have been looking at and I'm thinking about, well, I'm not thinking, I already got the keys that I will be moving into today, and I will be taking an appointment today. So let me show y'all. So this is the room that I was in. Dork. This is the room I've been in for the last couple of days. And the only reason why I'm in this room, it's a little dirty. The only reason why I'm in this room is because there's natural light, and I've been doing my clients' lashes with natural lights for the last 3 days, and it's really irritating. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to clean up, pack up some stuff, and then once I'm done, we're gonna go ahead and go to the new place and get settled down there. One thing I was doing was using my portable charger so that I can charge up these lights, and with the natural lighting it was working good, but my portable charger just didn't have enough hold. Yeah, I tried. I did the best that I could, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I packed up my lash cart right here. I can go to the car or bring the car around and just put everything in there because I'm not gonna be able to carry everything. I'm leaving a couple of things because I won't be needing them at the new place. Which I'm excited to show you guys. I hope y'all like it. I hope my clients like it. It's not really, yo, God works in mysterious ways because he knew I was gonna spend so much money if it was like a brand new room, knowing I'm gonna leave this year. Maybe this is why. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently at the location. We're gonna go in here and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour because I actually have to hurry up so I can set up everything. Okay guys, gotta put the music down. All right y'all, I am all done with my client. I didn't take any before and after pictures. And I wish I did, because I went on her Instagram page and she was like an influencer, y'all. You know, this is what I wanted. I really wanted to have clients that really has places to go and appreciate just having their lashes done, their eyebrows waxed, you know, appreciate looking good on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm glad I got her as a client. Like, it was such a good session. So I'm done for today. I'm gonna end out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so y'all can know when I post more videos. So I will see you guys when the sun rises. Bye.